How are you doing? You all right?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, you're on next.
Here we go.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm nervous, but I'm happy to be here.
Oh, good. What's your name?
My name's Craig. Craig Ball.
And how old are you, Craig?
I'm 24.
What's brought you to Britain's Got Talent?
I've had people tell me I should come on, and I thought maybe finally I should just do it for myself, because I don't usually believe myself, but I feel like I do, for once. I'm Craig Ball, I'm 24, and I'm from Hertfordshire. My job at the moment is maintenance in central London. I often change light bulbs, I'll do plumbing, I'll do a lot of painting as well. It's not a very interesting job.
What you really want to do is win this and then just let everybody knows who you are, so you don't have to do that.
I discovered singing when I was about 9 or 10. I feel like with my unique style, I might actually stand a chance to win Britain's Got Talent. Today is a massive day for me. Like, it's going to be the biggest performance I've ever done, but I know deep down I can do it.
OK, take it away.
Yeah? We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We jumped, but never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell. A love that no one could deny. What? Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. It slowly turned, you let me burn, and now it rashes on the ground. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live a life running for my life. I will always want you. Break you,
What a brilliantly original way to do impressions.
It is fun.
And I love that so many of those were ones you never see people do impressions of. Really, really brilliant art.
Thank you.
That was so funny and, like David said, original. And I did not expect that. Well done.
Craig, when it first started, because I didn't think you actually did sound like Morgan Freeman. I thought you were singing some tribute to him or something. And then I realised what was going on. It was current, it was clever. I think we may have discovered a big star.
Thank you so much.
So we'll vote. Simon?
It's 1,000,000% yes.
Thank you so much.
It's a yes from me. It's a yes from me.
You have 4 yeses. Congratulations. Well done, Craig.
Well done. All the judges on their feet, all the crowd on their feet. You must be thrilled.
I'm over the moon.
Kids are going to love this act. He's brilliant.
Hey, Mum, I got 4 yeses on Britain's Got Talent. I mean, I go through, Mum.